Armastek GFRP Rebar versus steel rebar. Increase your savings. At Armastek, we're committed to helping you finish projects faster and save money. Armastek GFRP Rebar is 7 times lighter than steel and offers superior tensile strength. Made from high-quality ASTM D7957 compliant materials, it ensures durability and rust resistance. Armastek rebar withstands corrosive environments like saltwater and de-icing salts, extending the life of your concrete and boosting customer satisfaction. It installs similarly to steel but is much lighter, allowing crews to transport more bars per trip and complete tasks quicker, cutting labor costs. Armastek rebar matches the performance of steel rebar in flatwork applications, providing cost savings on materials while maintaining effective crack control. Try Armastek GFRP Rebar today to experience how its lighter weight and greater strength can increase your savings on your next concrete project.